Hi there and welcome. I'm Daniel. I'm the author of the LangChain for JavaScript Developers book. I had multiple persons asking me how to use LangChain with local models, and this is exactly what we are going to do today. First of all, we'll need to install Ollama. Ollama is an application that makes it very easy to run local models on our computers. After Ollama has been installed, we'll need to install a local LLM. In our case, I will install Llama. For this, I will have to run Ollama pull llama 3.2. I'll run this in the terminal. And by the way, this will take a bit to run, given the fact that the model is around 4 gigabytes. But after everything is done, I can come and run Ollama run llama 3.2. And we will have access to a fully local model. For this, I will, for example, to test it out, that everything is okay, I will ask it, how are you? And we will get a response for our local LLM. And we have here a lot of capabilities available at our disposals. By the way, you can even turn off the Wi-Fi and you'll see that your local model is still working. I will exit. And now I will need to serve this model on a local host. For this, I will run Ollama host equals, and after that, I will say Ollama serve. And this will start up a local model, but available at this address. And now I'm going to the code part. In here, I am just using LangChain. And by the way, first be sure that you have installed LangChain or Llama in order to be able to talk with your local model. And this is all the code that I need to do in order to use LangChain in combination with a local model. And I will go and run this model. I will say node index.js. And after everything is done, we will see that our local model was able to answer a simple question like, what is the age of Bugs Bunny? Well, you can now take this local model, hook it up to a LangGraph AI agent, or use it to pass in your own data via RAG or something like that. And first of all, you have full privacy upon your data, and also the costs are way cheaper given the fact that you are running everything locally. So this is it. I hope that you like it, and you can find the link for the full code and these steps in the GitHub repo attached to this video. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.